Hi, I'm Vinayak. So I've done my graduation from Delhi University, and post that I did my master's from Delhi School of Economics. Here at IIM Shillong, I did my internship at Google with the Google Pay division of Google, and my role at Google was basically to approach the small and medium business retailers to design the GTM strategy for Google to enter the FMCG supply chain system. So what we did was basically to interact with a lot of retailers and FMCG companies to see where Google can pitch in as a technology provider. So that was my role at Google. One of the tangible skill that I believe that helped me during the internship was interacting with a lot of people. Now, since we were not able to go to the market, I had to call the different FMCG people, both retailers, manufacturers, supply chain professionals. So that was one skill that really helped me stood apart from other interns. Apart from that, this interaction within Google also, like interacting with my buddy, with my mentor, to communicate the entire chain of process, that what is happening on my internship project, communicating. So one good thing that I followed during my internship was every Monday at 9 a.m. I used to send a report of what happened in the previous week and what I'm intending to do in the coming week. So that reporting really helped to facilitate the process of that communication gap that existed in this online mode. So that was one skill that I believe we all should have for a successful internship. So a typical day at Google consisted of this 3 to 4 kind of activities. First was the meetings that we had. So meetings with our mentors, with our buddies, or any other professional that we wanted to approach for our internship project. The second thing was this interactive sessions with different Googlers across the world. So there were 30-minute sessions that we used to schedule on our calendar, and we used to interact with random people across Google. These were really fun interactive sessions, knowing about their journey and sharing our journey during this internship project. Apart from that, there were some meetings that we scheduled for ourselves, like approaching the FMCG people, like the industry, from the industry, basically the manufacturers, the suppliers, the retail chain. So interacting with them, understanding the process, understanding how Google can fit in the entire process. The another thing and a very integral part of it was the training sessions. Now these training sessions were both recorded and live training sessions. So we received a lot of training on this digital marketing, then Google Analytics. So these were really taken by Googlers who have converted the PPO process like 10 years back. So they used to share their journey and their insights on how Google works, how the digital marketing works, how the analytics works. So these were the main functions that we used to do in a typical day. So the intern conversion process at Google is slightly different. So based on the feedback of our mentor, our buddy, and a third reviewer, all the feedback was compiled, and based on that feedback, there is a possibility that we may convert for a PPO or a PPI. Now, since there was no headcount requirement within Google Pay, so then we were referred for different roles across Google. Then I was shortlisted for this digital marketing strategy profile, and there I had to undergo, since it was not the same profile as my internship, I had to undergo around 2 to 3 rounds of interviews. So during this 2 rounds of interviews, we were asked both HR and technical questions, and this was a day-long process where 2 rounds of interviews were conducted, and another set of feedback was compiled. Now, this feedback was sent to the marketing head, and there a committee decides whether there is a further need for another interview or not. Based on that feedback, after around 5 to 6 days, we got a reply that the final conversion has been done. So this was a mix of both HR and technical questions, consisting of our digital marketing strategy profile based questions and HR related, which basically gauges the fit of the individual. So Google is everything about networking. And one of the serious challenges that I faced in this online mode of internship was networking, because there were fixed time schedules when we had to interact with our mentors, with our buddies, and everyone else at Google, taking their experiences. So it was a very time crunch meeting of 30 minutes dot that we had to do. So this was one serious challenge that we faced. We were not able to interact with a lot of people, and we were constantly told that we have to interact, and that is our life at Google.